Alright guys, go, go, go. Move to your right. Dude, the right. Where are you going? Hello? Well, I can't hear you.
Yeah, no, the dogs are here. Can you hear me? Hold on. Let me turn on my AI mic really quick. Okay. All right. Is it better now? Can you hear me? Yeah, it's a lot clearer, right? All right, here. Let's still hold B. Okay. Good job. Hey guys, what's up? ROG Social Guy 1 here. The ASUS AI Noise Cancelling technology is pretty amazing. It cancels out background noise when I'm playing games, streaming, or just having calls with coworkers. In addition to the hardware-based version found on the new ROG headsets, the latest ASUS B550 motherboards also feature a software version of this same tech that supports 3.5mm USB or Bluetooth headsets. Take a listen for yourself. The difference is pretty huge. I've got music blasting, a noisy fan, and I'm hammering away on this gaming keyboard. Pretty noisy, right? Now, take a listen once the AI noise cancelling feature has been turned on. All of that noise in the background is gone, and my voice comms are clear. Setup is super easy too. First, open Armory Crate and find the AI noise cancelling microphone feature under the Audio tab. Turn on the feature, choose your audio device, and set the preferred noise cancelling level. To avoid warping your voice, make sure any other apps that have their own noise cancelling features are turned off. If you tend to max out all of those cores, don't worry, there's hardly any impact on your system's performance. Now, just relax and enjoy your clearer communication.